Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun. We're at the car, what's it called? Car dealership? Yeah. Look at this. This is like basically what we saw in the auto show. It smells so good.
A bunch of small balls. Now you see a big one.
Dun dun dun.
Over there first. Oops, someone left the car running. Naughty little boy.
Go to the left. A lot of people like this
Come on, Dad. You got this. It's so bright. We're driving.
Someone turn up the heat. I'm gonna warm up my legs.
Whoa! Ah! Okay. I think we should shut up now. Did you smell that smell of the new car?
Oh yeah. Driving in style for once.
Look at the buttons! 69. Dad's driving. So, do you like the car?
What do you think, Mommy? You like it?
Cool. What about you, Pooh Bear?
I love it.
Love it or list it?
Love it.
But it's turbocharged.
Uh-huh.
Wait, can you get to a back seat from the seats?
Watch out for your blind spot and everything, listen. Yeah. You gotta aim it a little bit to the left there.
Make a left. Oh, might be.
I don't need to physically
Yeah, I know.
get that on video. Now we're in the hybrid, which is it's like the same thing, but just listen.
Yep.
Oh,
It's
hot
not
buns.
warming up my buns yet. Sorry, my buns are cold.
Calm your
I
buns down.
I know
Okay.
how to.
It's so quiet. I'm gonna go faster.
Oh, it's like you're beating that thing up there.
I feel like I could empower anyone.
You look like the bus driver on each bus. How high their seats are into outer space. They're out of this world. Okay, stop.
We're out the batteries.
Yeah.
Jeez.
This is fun. Okay, let me get back to how I was driving. Yeah, this is our new car. We'll get it on Tuesday. Take a look at it.
I want to hug it.
Here's a little 360 look of the car. The Fusion. There's the front. Look, it has a block heater. Important for these cold winter weather months. It's a hybrid. And tires. There's a trunk. And there it is. Oh my, that's not coming home with us.